it's Taren. Welcome back to my channel. This video is another Stitch Fix unboxing and try on. I have two absolute favorites in this box, so I'm very excited to show you. So I don't want to make you wait to show you these items because I am very excited for them. So let me get my price sheet all squared away. First thing let's pull out is this white. Tinsel is the brand, size 2X, but it is this super cute collared, like button up, not top. I have been looking for one of these for a while because I have those like army green color joggers from Trunk Club that I have no idea what to wear with them, so I think this would be super cute with it. And also I got those linen like capri wide leg pants from Marshall's not long ago, so I've been looking for a white top exactly like this. This one I do think I could use a size larger, so I may see if I can exchange it, but this is perfect. This is absolutely what I have been looking for, and I'm so excited for it. Next thing is this gorgeous, so fun, City Chic, size medium, which is an 18, little off the shoulder, like shortish type dress. Okay, look how cute first off. And this actually stays on my shoulders, like, or off the shoulder like it's supposed to. And I love that this top bit is like this type of material because I wouldn't wear a bra with it, and it kind of just holds everything in place and no one can really tell because it's got this little bit of texture on it. All right, so this is absolutely gorgeous. It is lined, so there's no chance of you like standing in the right light and someone seeing straight through it. It has pockets. It's the perfect length. This is adorable and would be so cute for our trip coming up to Jamaica. If you can't tell, I'm slowly like hoarding items for this trip, which I think everyone does when they go on vacation somewhere that they're excited about. So I'm excited for this. It's super cute. Next up we have is super like summery and just fun and festive and tropical feeling in my opinion. So it's this really pretty Daniel Rainn size 2X blue with like tropical leaves on it. It's absolutely gorgeous. The only thing is it has this tank top that you're supposed to wear underneath it. It's not my favorite thing to have to wear a cami or something underneath. I know it's not the end of the world. It's just hot and it gets all discombobulated and stuff. So if I can avoid wearing a tank top under something, then I will. But this pattern is absolutely gorgeous and this fit is really great too. So it's definitely making me think twice because this would be really pretty with a pair of like white denim shorts for vacation or something. I don't know how much it is, but that's my thought and I think it's really pretty. So this next one would have been the hit of the entire box had it fit, but it didn't fit and I'm really sad about it. But look how cute. It's the City Chic brand and it's like a structured off the shoulder cropped wide leg jumpsuit. It's such good quality. It even has this like little bit of rubber here so it kind of sticks to your chest because it is off the shoulder. This is absolutely gorgeous. The color, the fit, the everything about it, but it's too small. Like I can't get it to zip up all the way in the back. This is a size extra large at City Chic, which is a 22. Maybe last box or the box before that, they sent me a very similar style romper. So it was just like this, but black, I believe. And it was shorts and it was in a size medium and there was no way that thing was zipping. So I did make a note to my stylist that, hey, I really liked it. It was just too small. So I'm glad that I got this go round, but it's still too small. And the very last thing in my box is a pair of sandals. I didn't think that I would really like these and then I put them on and they're really comfortable. So it's this really pretty like turquoise color. The brand is Sarto. I like the toe thing. I'm like into this lately. I don't know. I just think that's really cute. I like the thick strap around here. They're really soft and they're cushiony. So I don't feel like I'm just walking on hard cement all day, you know? So now that you've seen everything, let's talk price. The total for every single thing in my box is $4.49. Stitch Fix does this thing. If you purchase everything in your box, you get 25% off. So that would bring my total to $336.75. I don't pay a styling fee. I did the Style Pass, I believe it was called, a long time ago. So for $49, you pay that one-time fee, and for an entire year, you get boxes every month or every 2 weeks, and you don't pay that $20 styling fee. So that's that's what I did. So I don't get that $20 deducted from everything in my box. So what I absolutely love is the white top and that City Chic dress. Yes, the dress, 100% we're doing the dress. No questions asked. It's adorable and I think it's so fun, and I love that it's lined and has pockets. So that's a yes. The only thing I am concerned about with that white Tinsel button-up shirt is I tried it on and it fits, but I would like it a little bit bigger. So I'm going to see if I can exchange it and get one size up, and I'll just feel a little bit more comfortable because I want it to be a little bit baggy, a little bit oversized to go with the pants in my vision. That's what I want. So as always, I will leave a direct link to sign up for Stitch Fix in the description box down below. I'll also go online and see if I can find these items separately, and if I can, I'll link those down below too. That way, if you like something and you don't want to sign up for Stitch Fix, it's right there. My measurements, as always, in try-on videos are down below to give you some reference. And that's a wrap. Thanks for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. Be sure to hit the subscribe button, and I will see y'all in my next video. Bye.